good morning, my angel. Hope you slept well, eh?
Yes, Daddy, are you not going to work?
I will. I'm traveling today,
What time is your flight?
11:20 a.m.
So you have just 2 hours before you go and board your flight, or else you miss it.
I won't even risk missing it. I have to go.
When are you coming back?
I'll join the last flight home.
Honey, seriously, I am tired of taking Kamsi to school every morning.
My love, you should understand that your daughter rejected all the drivers we employed to take her to school. Let's just hope one of these days she will align with one of them, please.
Mom, I'm sorry. When I find a good driver who I can call family, I will know.
Kamsi, remember, your mommy works very hard. She's a very busy person. At times, she stays very late in the night working, and in the morning, she must take you to school. Give one of these drivers opportunity. You will become your best friend. Please.
I don't want to be best friends with them. I want to call them family.
Don't worry, they will surely be your family, please. Eh?
Fine.
Good girl.
Let's go to school already. You're running late. Okay? Honey, I'll be back soon.
All right, see, bye-bye, love.
But you have to pick me up from school.
I will do that.
Let's go. Oh.
Young man.
Sir.
I got your CV through the mail and very impressive. Your CV is okay, first class political science.
Yes, sir.
But I wonder why you want to be a driver.
Sir, to be truthful, driving is a great hobby for me. And I have a new perspective to it. And I've spent 4 years and driving Uber, which has given me the opportunity to interact with people on one-on-one basis. I've met reasonable people. I have learned. I've been educated through that. As much as it is not what I bargained for, but instead of doing crime or other things, I'm just using this to hold body and soul together until the bigger picture comes.
Good. Well, if you're employed, you'll be driving my daughter who is 8 years old. What kind of conversation will you be having with her while driving her?
Chief, I have an ideology that says every child is your child. So that gave me the mind frame of seeing every young person, every child, every kid as my own younger sibling. So I observe them as my own. I interact with them the way I would, and I protect them because I believe in the prosperity of community.
Beautiful ideology. Well, I seems to like your person, like your CV and everything about you. Your ideology, beautiful. But it's not me to decide. Kamsi has the final say. And from the look on her face, I don't think she will accept you. But because I like your CV, I will keep it in case something bigger comes. I will call you.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
But I like him.
What?
Kamsi.
I like him. He's a good man.
My God. Kamsi, hope this is not a prank. And how did you know he's a good man?
My auntie says that you know good men by the way they smell. And he smells like a good man.
Young man.
Sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow you start the work.
Thank you so much, sir. I really do appreciate this opportunity. And I promise I will never let you down, sir.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
See you tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Kamsi.
Time, very important.
Thank you, sir. I will abide. Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
To God be the glory. At last.
It's a miracle.
Man, I thought this will
Finally.
come to an end again.
After looking for so many drivers, finally my baby chose.
Come see, you have a driver, a good man driver that smiles. Come see, a good girl smiles also. Smile, smile,
Okay, give us a smile, babe.
smile, smile.
Son, why the joy?
Mama, the Lord has done it. The Lord has fulfilled my day.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hey. What happened now? Share with your mother.
Mama, I got a new job today.
Hey. A new job?
Yes.
Is it a big company job?
Mama, it's not a big company. It's actually another driving job. But this one pays way higher than what I make from Uber.
I don't know whether I will be happy or sad.
Why?
My son, you are a graduate of political science. And now, you are a driver. You want me to be happy.
Mama, you failed to add that I also graduated with first class.
Okay now.
Nigeria will happen to everybody.
Child.
Mama.
Listen, let me tell you. You know you are my son. Yes, and I'm your mother. It hurts me so much because you're a big star. I know what I'm saying, oh.
Mama.
I know what I'm saying.
Cool temper. Relax. Calm down. I must shine when I'm going to shine. Every star has its time to shine. And I will shine. But for now, let me be happy with the little achievements that I have.
I should be happy?
Yes, Mama. You don't know the joy.
Happy because of what? For being a driver? Here.
Mama, you don't know the joy that flows within
Or maybe there is another thing that make you happy. I don't think it's a driver. Oh. Happy for driver.
See, okay, Mama, look. What would you like to have? Just mention anything. I'll buy it for you. You want roasted fish? You want anything you want? Just milkshake, shawarma, anything.
I should mention
something. Bill me. Feel free.
I should mention.
Feel free and bill me.
Okay. Mama. Get me a wife. Hey.
Mama, are you thinking good and prosperity for me, or are you thinking something that will draw me backwards?
Yeah.
A wife in this condition of mine.
Which condition, Kwano? Which condition? Have you forgotten that you are my only child? You are my only child. Listen, don't you know that it hurts me a lot? Better go and marry you. Start planning on how to settle down.
See, Mama, I've seen...
So that you will get grandchildren for me. I want to carry my grandchildren now that I'm still strong.
You will carry your grandchildren when the time comes. But for now, the main priority on the table is to be financially stable.
Yeah.
I'm in a financial epilepsy.
Also, financial.
What are you saying? I should go and carry another burden on this body that I'm carrying. I've not finished taking care of you. No.
Which body?
Mama, I've seen...
Which body?
I have just seen...
My grandchildren are now becoming burden.
Mama, you know what? I've seen that you want to take this, my joy, away. You want to ruin it.
Which joy? Which joy am I taking away?
It will not work for you. You know what?
Bieba.
See, Mama, I'm going to go on the
Sit down here.
You know what I'm saying? Later, I'll check up on you, you know. Mama?
No, don't go out. Bieba, come back. Namo. Hey.
Mama Lolo, calm down.
Okay, baby.
Morning, little angel. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Mr. Patrick,
Sir.
this is the car key. Remember, this is Kamsi's car.
Okay, sir.
One, you have to be very careful while driving her.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No overspeeding. I'm going to monitor you. Please, always be careful driving her. Okay?
You have nothing to worry about, sir.
Good.
And when you drop her, make sure you come back home immediately.
Don't bother about that. I'm going to monitor him. So please, you can now leave.
All right. Thank you.
High five, girl.
High five to mommy. Kiss.
Be a good girl.
I miss you guys already.
Okay.
Honey, I'm so happy I can have peace now.
Oh my God, I thank God. It is still I thought it will not going to happen again, just like a movie.
Thank God.
I'm having an executive meeting by 9 a.m. So
Okay.
please let me go and shower.
All right, go freshen up. I'll make you breakfast.
Please.
Okay, let me make you breakfast. Yeah.
Uncle,
Yes.
why did you choose to be a driver? My daddy said you study political science.
Dera, Nigeria happened to me. I didn't choose to be a driver. Driving chose me. This is a country whereby what you studied in school is not what you become in real life.
Well, Uncle,
Yes.
if you don't like Nigeria, my daddy can just send you abroad.
I know you can tell your daddy, but I don't want you to do that. I like this place, and I will make it big here. This is just a phase in my life, and every great person has a story to tell, and this will be my story.
Well, I wanted to be a journalist, but my dad said I have to be a doctor and I hate hospitals.
You hate hospitals? Oh. Okay. You have a lot of time ahead of you. When you grow up, you probably choose what to be. All right?
Uncle, are you married?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
Because my auntie said that married men are irresponsible.
Well, it depends on what your auntie means. She could be right and could be wrong in many ways.
What does that mean?
Chidera, we're at your school, okay? When school closes, we'll continue with this discussion, right?
Okay, but just know that once you come back, we're going to continue our discussion.
Yes, definitely, we're going to continue this discussion. School time.
Okay.
Be a good girl. Don't look for trouble.
Okay.
All right.
I didn't used to look for trouble before.
No, you're good.
You tell me that every day.
Yeah. Mama, can you remember how I behaved once I was a child?
What do you mean by that? I don't understand.
I was listening to a radio program.
Okay.
The host was very particular about kids' behavior. Like the attributes we exhibited whilst we were, let's say, 6, 7 years old. So I wanted to know, was I troublesome?
It's now that I understand. You were very, very troublesome. You trouble me. You trouble, especially question. You see this one, you ask. You see that one, you ask. Iju gidere jo. Were chukuze motu mmiri si we bara aki oyibo. Hey! Mame, ejoro 30.
So at that age, I asked you how the water in the coconut got into the coconut.
Azene.
Wow. What a replica.
Replica of what? What do you mean by a replica? What?
Oh, sorry, man. I meant to say that life is just a replica.
Okay. Kamwadegi, let me tell you. Did you know the only medicine that I used to choke you that time? Immediately I tell you, I will take you to hospital, you will stop. Even when you fall sick, immediately you hear hospital, you will come. Mommy, I'm fine. Mommy, I'm no more sick again. Mommy, I'm fine. Mommy, I'm well. You will start to jump up, jump down. Mommy, I'm well. Mommy, I'm well. You hated hospital.
Well, my dad said I have to be a doctor and I hate hospitals.
You hate hospitals?
Oh.
Pat. Patrick, you want?
Mama.
Why are you in deep thought?
Mama, I was just thinking and
Ha.
how much love you showed me, irrespective of the fact that I asked you so many questions. Thank you so much, Mama.
And that is the reason why I'm troubling you right about now to get me a wife. Oh.
Mama, yeah, let's go to hospital.
So you are not a big boy.
Let's go
You are
to
calling hospital. You want to go to hospital?
Yes.
I should take you to hospital. Let's go to hospital, Abi.
Mama, what did you make, please?
Hey.
So tired.
Please give me a wife. Oh.
Is there any food?
I want to carry my grandchildren. Don't ask me.
Mama, hunger.
Promise me.
But I need to be
promise
alive.
me.
But I need to be alive now.
But
to marry Abby.
But promise me.
If I eat, I'll promise.
Promise.
I need that.
Got a call from the school management. Have you almost killed an SS2 student today? Are you that violent?
Sir, that's not what happened.
So what happened?
Okay, I was approaching to go and pick Kamsi up. I'm approaching the school gate. Then I saw a senior student was actually holding her by her ear, dragging her with so much tenacity, which I sped up and rushed her from the car to detach her from Kamsi. I just pushed her away. Nothing more than I put Kamsi in the car. She can confirm it. And brought her back home. That's what happened. They didn't tell you how it happened.
But the management didn't tell us this part of the story.
Of course, they will tell the story the way it will favor them. I believe that bully will continue to do that because nobody will have the temerity to report her. And Kamsi would not because she will be scared that the girl will beat her up again.
But please, next time, just let us know. Don't take laws into your hands, okay?
All right, ma.
You can go.
Thank you so much, sir.
I think liking him, particularly the bond with Kamsi for such a period of time. And I don't know if to be happy or I just don't know.
Honey, I think he's a good man. The most important thing is Kamsi is happy and she's in safe hands.
I was like, that's good, but we still have to put our eyes on him.
Sure.
Good evening, ma.
Oh, good evening. Matt, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Oh, okay.
All right, so this is that car keys.
Oh, okay. Before you leave, thanks a lot. Okay.
For what, ma?
Kamsi told me you helped her with her assignment and she scored very good marks. That's commendable.
I'm glad I can help, ma.
Hope you're not planning to leave soon.
You know, Chief said once I bring Kamsi home, should drop the key, then I...
No. You must eat something before going. Okay?
Thank you, ma.
Okay. Are you married?
Not yet, ma.
What is such a sweet-looking guy like you? What are you still doing single?
Oh, looking for money.
Continue looking for money. So, where do you live?
I actually stay at the back of Bliss Hotel with my mother.
Mommy's boy. Right?
Not really. She's all that I got, you know. She was really getting sick in the village, so I decided to bring her over here so that, you know, I could pay close attention to her.
Oh, nice. You're such a good guy.
Thank you, ma.
There's something in the kitchen. Let me check it. I'll be back.
All right, ma.
Hey! Namo!
Mama.
Wokoma.
Reduce
Hey!
your
Oh,
excitement.
you didn't know.
Mama.
So you mean that your guy, Naguku, transfer this big money to you that you sent to me, that you transfer to me, that I'm seeing this big money.
Mama.
Is your guy that transfer it to you?
Mama.
Hey.
Imagine I was working in a big company. Would you receive such a money?
Chineke nna.
See, Mama,
hey.
Calm down. Everything is going to be fine.
Wait, oh. Call this man. I want to thank him. Call him. Let me thank him. Oh.
Mama, I don't know who you're talking to. This is not a man that likes to receive thanks when he does something for someone.
Huh?
He does not like when people call to say, thank you, sir. He said he does everything only for God, that God is the one that rewards. He doesn't like thank you.
Meaning this man is a very good man.
He's a good man.
May God bless this man for me.
Odogu.
Chineke gozere nwoke.
Amen.
Say
that
I must smile. Now I know that God must surely bless us. We don't suffer.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey. May God bless this man for me. This man will live long. Now respect him. Respect this man. Honor him. He's our second God.
Mama, reduce your excitement. More will come. Start getting used to this.
It's more will come.
More will come.
That is more than this.
From where this one came from.
Hey, Namo.
Mama Lolo.
Namo.
Mama Lolo.
I know that you wipe away my tears.
International Mama.
I know you wipe away my
Mama,
tears.
we know what's up.
May God give you life.
Patrick, Mama.
May God give you life.
Mama, we
Chineke ga-agọziri m nwa ma.
Mama, we
Ofu mkpụrụ anya m ji ahụ ụzọ. Ofu mkpụrụ anya m ji ahụ ụzọ. Nna m, mee lụtara m nwaanyị.
Mama, you have come.
Mee lụtara m nwaanyị. Lụtara m nwaanyị. Get wife for
Mama,
me.
you have come
so that this
now.
joy will be complete. Onye gị mekwa ka obi ruo m ala o.
Mama, it's okay now.
Ọmụgwa ya ọgụ maka kwizu oke o.
Mama.
Lụtara m nwaanyị.
Mama.
Be wife for me.
Please. I'm feeling sick now. Let me go to the hospital, yeah?
Hospital. Ah.
You're a very strong man. Don't tell me you're shy.
Not really shy.
Well, you don't have to. You're a very matured man.
Yeah, I don't have to.
You know, your energy is so contagious. Sometimes I feel like we've met before, we've known each other.
This is obviously the first time we're meeting. Talking about the energy is a normal thing, though. You know, there are these people you meet on the first time and you think you've met them before.
You're right.
What if my boss finds out about us?
Do you intend to tell him?
No, never.
Then you don't have to be worried. Just play to my terms. And I will make you and your mother happy for the rest of your life.
I hope your terms are not impossible.
As long as you're faithful to me, I don't want to share you with another woman. I won't be this loving with you.
Then you do not have a problem. I want to ask you one question. Why me?
You're very attractive. You're a handsome man. You're the kind of man I intended to spend my life with. But you know, sometimes
Life does not serve us what we deserve.
exactly. And there's this connection you have built with my daughter. She doesn't have that with her father.
Your daughter is priceless. Your daughter is special. And your daughter is golden.
Enough of all this talk. Come here, baby.
Young man, what is the time?
Morning, sir.
I said, what is the time?
I'm sorry, sir.
Don't get me angry this morning. I asked the question, what is the time?
Sir, it is past 9 a.m.
Past 9 and I'm just coming to work. Is this what I agreed? Now look, if you repeat this nonsense again, I will make sure I relieve your of your duty. Stupid boy.
Sir, the thing is that I was not feeling strong this morning. And I had to force myself to be here because I needed to be here. It's a health issue, sir.
That is your own problem and not my problem. My problem is I gave you an appointment, I will have an agreement, you must abide by that agreement. Next time you come to work late, I will make sure I relieve you of this duty.
I'm sorry, sir.
Now, Kamsi, go and wear your uniform so that he will take you to school.
I'm not feeling well.
Wow, what is this again? Eh? Since when?
I realized early this morning that she isn't feeling too well.
Did you inform me? You didn't tell me. Now, have you contacted the doctor?
It's not a serious issue. I can handle it myself.
Now, you don't need to wait till it's serious before you contact the doctor. My love, don't get ill, okay? You know that he loves you, eh? That's good. Don't get ill. Love you, eh?
And I love you too.
Good.
Uncle, are you fine?
Yes, I am fine.
Well, Patrick said he's also sick. That is why he came to work late.
Uncle, are you feeling fine?
I am fine, Kamsi.
Uncle, sorry. Are you taking medication?
Kamsi, I am fine.
But you don't look fine. But let's take him to the hospital.
Oh, Kamsi. He said he is fine. He's an adult and he knows when he's sick. Okay?
Uncle, don't worry. My mom will buy fruits to boost your immune system.
Kamsi, who taught you about immune system?
My auntie, he said sicknesses come to the body when the immune system is weak.
Dr. Kamsi, enough. Now, you know what you do, my darling? Go to the room, get enough sleep, rest very well. Mommy will bring you some drugs, okay?
I hope I'll not go to the hospital.
As long as you're okay, you wouldn't need to go to the hospital.
Okay, see, I'm okay. I'm not sick again.
Okay, my baby. Oh my God. Let's go upstairs, okay? Oh.
Bye.
Mama,
Hey,
all these things are for you.
for me?
Yes.
Hey, Nwamu.
I told you that God has brought us
Just like that.
a very good,
Just like that.
a destiny helper.
Chirekwa. And you think that it's not right for me to call this man and thank him?
Mama, you have come
Ah.
again now. I've told you times without number. This man is not somebody who likes to do things and be thankful. One day I was driving him, he said, this way people are calling me to say thank you, thank you. What would they now do when I buy them a private jet?
Chineke nna. Wait, oh.
Helps
This
a lot of
man is
people.
really a strange man.
A strange good man.
Chineke le. God will bless this man for me.
Amen.
How about the wife? I hope this woman is not angry. Oh. Hope she will not be angry for this kind of love. Because the love is massive.
You know, Mama, they say likes, they get likes. Good people attract good people. The man also attracted a good wife. But that woman is an angel.
Oh.
She doesn't have a problem.
Hey.
Very meek at heart.
Hey. Mwamo. Chai. God will bless this man for me. God will continue to bless this man for me. Namo. And how is your health? Eh?
Mama, I feel much better now. You know, it was even my Oga's wife that pleaded that I just get a rest. I didn't do much today. I was just in their guest room resting, you know, which I feel much better now.
Chai, I was wondering. But this kind better gift too, plenty gift where you carry come here now. This kind of massive gift. This thing now made me to forget to ask about your health. Please forgive me.
Mama, I'm the one that
hey,
got you.
Chineke. See, my son, I know that God will lift us up. God will wipe away our tears. But you see this man, you see this angel that God used to wipe our tears so that my enemies in the village will not laugh at me. God will bless this man.
Amen.
God will bless this man for me. Amen. God will continue to bless this man. Chineke gi goziri mwoka. Chineke gi gozi ya o. But I must call this man and thank him.
Mama, you
don't tell me don't call him.
Mama.
Oh.
Alright.
Thank God.
Just relax.
Thank God. Hey, only me.
Baby. Honey? I want you.
I'm not in the mood. I'm tired.
But I always put you in the mood whenever you are not in the mood. So what has changed?
I said I am tired.
Tired? I'm sure you didn't do any strenuous work today. So what gets you tired?
Do I have to do any work to get tired? I said I'm not in the mood. I am physically tired. I am mentally exhausted. Please, some other time.
Honey, do you want me to go outside and get it from a free woman?
Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know you do that? Is it because I don't want to talk? I decided to keep quiet because I want peace.
Look, must I shout to get what is mine?
What is yours?
You, of course. We are legally married. And we have to give ourselves whatever we want. We don't need to deny ourselves sex. Come on.
Listen, you can say whatever you want, but it won't change the fact that we are not going to do anything tonight. Simple. Let me sleep.
Are you serious? Okay, we shall see.
Good afternoon.
You're back?
Yes, ma'am.
So quick?
Yes, the road was actually free. Right, this is the car key. Don't you think this is risky?
Come on. Let me worry about that, handsome.
The camera.
I'll wipe them out.
Even at that, I'm still not comfortable.
Come on, it's just the two of us in this house, okay? I love you. Oh my God. Baby.
Look, it's not that I don't enjoy this, but I think, can we start using a hotel?
Oh my God. Guy, you're too sweet.
What if your husband walks in on us right now?
Where have you been all my life? I've never had a dick as sweet as yours.
Can you not be ridiculous for once? I'm sorry. Look, The point I'm trying to make here is we could do this and do it respectfully. I find it very disrespectful on your matrimonial bed.
What nonsense matrimonial bed? I don't even love him. I married him because I needed him to take care of me and my family out of poverty. And he has done that. I don't even allow him to touch me anymore.
Christ. All because of me. You put me in trouble.
Come on. Let's run away. Let's go to another city. Don't worry about the money. I'll take care of it all.
Look how simple it sounds in your mouth.
But it's that simple.
What about Kamsi?
We'll leave her behind. Her dad is around. He'll take care of her.
No. We cannot leave my daughter. I'm sorry. We cannot leave your daughter behind. Your husband would definitely marry another woman who would treat her like trash, mess her mental health up. Do you consider all those things?
Okay, no problem. We'll take her with us. It's even a good idea because the both of you have a very strong bond.
What about my mom?
My mom is not a problem. We'll get her an apartment in another city. She will enjoy her life.
Chief?
Chief is the least of our problem. I can handle him.
I still do not find these plans of yours very comfortable. You know, I think it's something one could ruminate over, but then I'll be in the living room, right?
You better be fast about it. We don't have time, okay? Please think about it very fast. Whew. Hi, honey.
Hi, do that.
I'm going for a friend's party. I don't want to drive. I would like Pat to drop me off.
A friend's party.
Yes.
Dressed like this?
Honey, what is wrong with what I'm wearing?
Everything is wrong with this. Come on, you're a married woman dressed like a street girl.
Come on, I'm comfortable with what
Okay,
I'm
you're
wearing.
comfortable. Please. Pat is outside. You can go. Please. I have other things to do.
All right, see you later.
Hey, babe.
Yeah?
Don't you think you're giving Chief enough room to suspect us?
How?
Okay. Whilst coming out, I knew you were not going to any party. And it was written all over you that you just wanted us to sneak out together.
Listen, babe. I just want an alone time. I just want us to walk around together without anyone disturbing us. You know, just the two of us together. No one else.
Hi.
Beautiful. You guys look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you guys a young couple? I'm sorry for intruding. I'm really so sorry for intruding. Nice meeting you guys at Mississippi.
Oh, thanks
It's
for the
okay.
compliment.
Enjoy your evening.
Alright.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Babe,
Yes,
did you hear that?
I heard.
Even the passerbys can see that we are good together.
Hey, babe, come on. I'm writing a blueprint to steal you. Steal you like a fish. Steal you.
Babe, bottom line is we are meant for each other. Period. Oh my God, I love you.
You see, right? I don't know how it's gonna happen. But it's your eyes that I want to see every day when I wake up. Like the seven seas ruminate in your eyes and roll around.
Baby, you're so
When
sweet.
I look into them, they spark and they radiate only but beauty, perfection. The world revolves around.
I love you so much.
In as much as I want to be here with you forever, elope, disappear, vanish, but we need to go home.
Okay, before you start lecturing me. Oh! evening, honey.
Wow. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How did it go?
It was okay. I felt bored at home, decided to join them. I had fun a little.
Good. Welcome.
Okay, let me go have a bath quickly. I will join you soon. Yeah. Ooh. See you.
See you, love.
Oh my God. Mama.
There's another good news.
Nah.
This is a brand new phone. The pack is in the room. I unpacked it. I've activated it. Your SIM card is here. It's no longer in your old phone. I've transferred your contacts. This is a gift from my boss to you.
Hey! Chimo!
Yes.
Ewo! Hey! You mean your oga bought this phone for me?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Chineke nna. God will bless this man for me.
Amen.
How did you know that my phone was bad?
You know,
Did you tell him?
Now, the other day I was having a conversation with you on the phone and your phone was malfunctioning. So he overheard that conversation.
Okay, that day.
Surprisingly today, he handed me your phone as a gift to your mom.
Chai! And he still doesn't want me to thank him? He should stop, oh. If you don't want me to appreciate him, let him stop. Because I'm not an ingrate. And I wasn't raised like that by my late parents.
Mama, you need to get used to this. Do you understand? Chief does this for a lot of people around him. It's not new to him. He's not doing it to get some validation or gratitude. No, he's way above that. And I think that's why God is blessing him. You know?
Oh, God will bless this man for me.
Amen. That's all.
God will bless this man for me.
Amen.
Oh, this man.
All he wants is prayer, not you calling him to disturb a busy man.
Chai, you mean he give me this? God will continue to bless this man.
Amen.
Wherever this money come from, God will reward him magic in million folds. Chineke gị gọziri nwoke a. Nna m o, nna m, ị hụla Chineke lehicha n'anya anya mmiri. Chineke werela ofu mkpụrụ anya m achete m. Nna m lenu fonu. Hey, fonu ndị oke ozu. Hey, nna ị hụkwara oke fonu oviri m. Fonu ndị oke ozu. Hey, nna m gala emekwanụ selfie o. Ya gwa fonu m gala eji emewa selfie.
Mama, why?
Nga occasion, especially when I go burial. Eme selfie. Let's nga wedding, marriage, ịgba nkwụ. Hey, nna m ụbọchị ị ga-ịlụ nwaanyị. Hey, the day you will marry. Nna m, I'm gonna eji ya ọkwa nwunye gị. Your wife, I will use it. I will do.
Okay, the day I will. That day now.
Nna m, you will marry now.
I will.
Especially your child dedication.
Oh.
I go use and carry my baby, use and do selfie. Do it like this.
Mama. Pingin mama.
Social media mama. Chineke ge goziri nwoke. Nna m, ana m aba no Facebook. Abajenu m social media. Ewetelenu m phone. Nnọrọ m ala agbara nu ha egwu. Hey! Oh, God will bless this man.
Amen.
God will bless him.
Amen.
God will bless you for me.
Amen.
God will bless you. It's not everybody that work in big company that get money. Even people when they do drive and do they get money. Chineke na.
Chief, why didn't you tell me about this journey in time?
Oh, my love, I just told you it's an emergency. But this meeting was supposed to be for next month, but something happened and they changed all the plans. So sorry.
So you mean you're going to be away for a whole 7 days?
Well, I will take the next available flight once I'm through. Eh? I need to be with my family.
Chief, the house will be boring without you.
I know. Kamsi and Papi keep you company. My love, I think if you can beg Pat to move to the visitor's room so the house will have a feel of a man. I mean, that's if you trust him.
I think you have a point there, Chief.
Right.
I'll call him as soon as
All right,
possible.
please, fast. So
Okay,
that
so we're
I don't
done.
miss my flight.
Okay. Almost done. Okay. Yeah. I think we are good. Your files okay?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, baby. Where are you? Chief is on his way to the airport. He's going to South Africa for a business meeting. Guess what? He will be back in the next 7 days. Do you know he even suggested you come stay in the guest room and keep I and our daughter company pending his return? Of course I told you. He's not that smart, you know. Baby, I can't wait. Please come over and come make me like a woman again. See you, baby. Kisses. Oh my God. I can't wait for him to arrive.
You're alive. Continue. I said continue.
Sorry.
Will you stop that? Don't even talk.
Sorry.
Continue. Will you remove your hand, please?
Sir, please, it's the devil's work, it's the devil's.
If you mention devil again, you'll be a dead man.
I'm sorry, Chief.
Will you continue?
Sorry, sir.
Will you continue?
I call my mother, Chief. Oh, will I tell my mother, please, sir?
The whole world
Sir,
is
please.
watching you.
Sir,
This is live.
Forgive. Big comment. So I can do the Chief. Big. Chief. Big.
I'm enjoying this moment.
Chief. Big.
I'm heartbroken, but I'm enjoying it.
Sorry, sir. Chief, sorry, Nam. Big. Sorry, Chief.
Gladys. I love you so much. I provided everything for you. I made sure you lacked nothing. I sponsored 2 of your siblings abroad for their education to master's level. I placed your parents on monthly salary, including so many other things just to make them comfortable and make you happy. Gladys, why this?
My husband, I'm really sorry. It's the hard work of the day.
Oh, will you shut up and don't call that innocent demon here again? You blame your rascality and stupidity. You are a disgrace to womanhood. And you, Patrick, to think I was liking you. I never knew your mission in my family was to destroy my family, destroy my happiness, destroy everything that I have built over the years. I never knew. Disgrace.
Oh, is the school calling?
Give me the phone. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah. Okay, that's no problem. I think the driver has a problem with his phone. Well, I'm going to book an Uber for her, but please give my daughter the phone. Yes, Kamsi, there's a little problem, and Uncle Pat is not available presently. I'm going to book an Uber for you to come home, okay? No, please, I'm going to make sure I book somebody that is responsible and very friendly. You will like the person, or please, let me just book. Uncle Pat cannot come now. Will you shut up, you little brat? Because you think you have everything, you get anything you want, then you can abuse it, or what? Look, Kamsi. If you dare say anything again against what I'm saying, I will make sure you regret the day you called me your daddy. What nonsense. Now give the phone back to your auntie. Yeah, please, madam, I'm booking an Uber to come and pick her now. Thank you. Useless woman. You have spoiled her. You spoiled my daughter. Very stupid woman. Hello, Festus? Yeah, please. I'm booking an Uber to go to my daughter's school. She's in the school presently, and I'm trying to sort out one or two things. The Uber will bring her to you. Don't bring her home. I'm going to text the address you're taking her to. Please, make sure she's safe and give her everything she needs. Oh, please just do what I said. Thank you.
Honey, where are you taking our daughter to?
You may never see her again in your life.
No, sir. You lie.
What? What arrant nonsense. Are you insane?
With due respect, sir, I know what we did is quite despicable and unheard of. But at the same time, I don't think it's reason why you need to punish an innocent child who did nothing. It is actually nothing that she is aware of.
You are bold enough to tell me what to do. Bold enough to tell me how to handle my daughter or what to do with my daughter. Are you mad or something is wrong with your brain? Do you know I can keep you away from this world right now? I can put you in cell for the rest of your life. Your miserable life. Patrick.
Chief, I also know that you have the powers to take my life.
Yes, I can do that.
I know you are very influential and powerful.
Sure, you know that.
But killing me is not the solution or the intent. What I am talking about is I cannot watch you detach my seed from the love of her mother. That's totally messing her up.
Pat, will you shut up? You're complicating this issue. You're complicating everything. Honey, seriously, I have never met him before until he started working here. He isn't responsible for the pregnancy. You are.
Sorry, madam. Can you remember some 8 years ago? There was a guy you had an intense, engulfing sexual intercourse with. Can you remember such a mind? What's the problem?
God.
What's the problem?
Fuck. I was supposed to be at the hospital 7 a.m. this morning. That was why I asked you to help me set the alarm. But from all indication, you didn't.
I'm sorry, I totally forgot. I slept off, obviously.
Why won't you sleep off when you had tons on me last night? But come on. What did you even take?
Are you underestimating my natural strength? I'm good. Look, you are so juicy and I can't help but want more and more of you. You're such a sweet girl.
Don't even allow my boyfriend hear that from me.
Hey, come on, are we still on that same page?
Okay, see.
Look, what are we doing?
We are only sexually attracted to each other. We just leave it that way. Okay?
Look, I'm gradually building strong emotions for you. The bond is getting real. Why are you disconnecting?
You're on your own. Hmm? I'm running late. Let me just go and get dressed. She like. You're talking rubbish.
But hey, can't you just miss work for just one day?
I don't know what you're talking about, okay?
Must you go every day?
Oh my God, this guy.
Don't tell me you're going to work.
Do I have any option? I will take my bath when I get to the hospital. I just pray I don't get queried by my superior.
Let me tell you something for sure. Nobody's going to query you. You're a faithful staff. You've been punctual all the time and always. Just one of mistake wouldn't give you a query.
You don't get it, do you? I work at the hospital and every minute counts.
I know. I'm the business of saving lives. Just the way you saved mine last night.
I swear to God, I hate to be in this situation. Hey, please. What time is the interview holding?
They say we should come by 11 o'clock, but from all indications, I won't be going anywhere. I'm red right now, I'm broke. I don't even have transportation.
You see the reason why you don't need a serious relationship? You need to make money.
I know, right?
Anyway, let me see if I have some change.
So relationship is on money greed. That's the reality of life.
Anyway, I have this. I'm sure it will be enough for you for today.
Alright.
You need to get up and start preparing. You don't have to be late, okay?
Sure.
You should be there an hour before the official time.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, see ya.
Hey, thank you so much for the money. I guess it's my pay for the night.
Excuse you?
I was just kidding. All right, safe. Man, this girl pure. Telling you, I'm a G for life. This one wish you know I'm falling in love with me, but you don't get money. Hello, Joe, how are you? As usual, they said I'll get back to you, which is a systematic way of telling you that you didn't get the job. Joy, I've been in this labor market for a very long time to know when they tell you, I'll get back to you. It's just a way of excusing me. They ask some candidates, some applicants of the job to wait behind. What does that mean? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? It's just a diplomatic way of telling me to go home. Thank you for the encouragement, Joy. But the thing is, let me be very frank and sincere with you. I'm frustrated. In fact, I'm slipping into depression right now. It's really, really horrible. I don't even have an appetite. I don't even know if I will recognize the food if I see one right now. I'm just sitting by the roadside. I don't know where to go from here. Mom is sick and everything is just crumbling. The whole world is just hitting at me. I did my best. Is it bad to be a good person in this country? Joe, I've heard you. I think we'll talk later, I beg. If I could feel something to you, but just then. I know. Nurse, well done, but I'm not just happy. Thank you so much. Don't feel bad, okay? It's just that I'm all over the place. My head is just filled up. All right. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Let me step home. Yeah, bye.
Hello. Babe, why didn't you lock the door? It's risky, you know.
Good evening.
Why didn't you lock the door? You know this area could be bad at night.
I slept off, and come to think of it, what do I have in this house that somebody will steal? They go to places where they can find money. There is no money here. These boys actually know the house to invade. Definitely not my house.
Your life should be your utmost concern. Haven't you heard a situation where robbers got into a house and when they realized there was nothing to steal in that house, they kill every living soul in that house? Haven't you heard about that?
That is not our portion.
Amen. But at least apply some caution.
Yes, my nurse.
Anyway, I got you fried rice and chicken.
Oh, well, thank you so much. You're a very sweet girl. How did you know I was craving this, actually? Because I got tired of eating Eboh.
I thought as much. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
This is looking yummy.
Like it?
Damn. Actually, you're made in heaven.
Patrick.
Wonder me.
No.
Please come and
Seriously, I am full. Seriously. My boyfriend has been calling since. I need to start going.
Now you spoil my mood.
See, Patrick, please don't do this. Okay? You're making me feel uncomfortable with this your new pattern. Please don't attach sentiment to this. You know I like you, but I cannot leave my man for you. I'm only with you because he's not always available and you are.
I'm sweet, right?
Yes, you are sweet.
So why wouldn't you leave him for a sweet man?
And die of hunger? Of starvation? Can you hear yourself talk? Okay, see, I am not trying to relegate you. But let's face the reality. You can't even take care of yourself. Talk more of taking care of me.
Joy.
Oh,
It's okay.
okay.
We'll
I'm
stick
sorry.
to our initial plans.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, understanding. I'm sorry, I need to take this call. Hello, baby. Yeah, I'm so sorry I missed your call. I've been very busy. I'm attending to a patient. Can I join you soon? Okay, I will. All right. I love you.
I'm indeed your patient.
Come on. I have to start going.
Well, you brought me injection, syringe, paracetamol, Panadol.
Patrick, please, I don't have your time. Let me start going. Okay? Just take care of yourself. Oh my God. Don't do that.
Give me your hand. Let's go again. Give me your forehead.
Of course I will. And please, make sure you lock this door.
Yeah, sure. Then.
All right. Bye.
All right. You safe.
You.
Yummy. But Mon, the cost for that test is really, really high right now. There is no money. Mama, the cost for that test is too much. Eh? Can't we find a medication that is actually affordable? It could stop you from coughing. When I raise money, then we'll do the comprehensive test. Please. No, that is serious. But you should understand that the economy is very bad right now. Subsidy is out, everything is up. Fuel is 540. Mama, you are my major concern right now. Don't worry about me, I'm good. I can take care of myself. Okay, see, I'll call you back later. Let me just see how to raise money so we could run that test. God bless you, Mama. Hello, Joy. I need to see you right now. It's really urgent. All right, thank you. Are you done for the day?
Yes, I'm done. So, what is it? You sounded so urgent.
It's my mother, Joy. Her health has deteriorated so badly. She's the only one I have, and I don't want to lose her.
God forbid. You're not losing anyone. What happened?
You know she's been coughing, right?
Yes.
So she even admitted coughing out blood.
What?
Like,
That is not good.
Not at all.
See, she needs to be taken to hospital immediately for a comprehensive test.
That is the problem. That's the problem.
Money, right?
Joy, your guy no whole side at all. I know who she buying. I swear to God Almighty.
You don't need to swear.
He read.
I know.
He read.
I know.
Look, I am so sorry I'm putting you through a lot. I trouble you, I know, but I'm sorry. You're the only person
Patrick is okay. I understand you better, okay? It's just that this time, you know I've not been paid. And I don't even know excuse to tell my man.
I'm sorry for the mental stress. I don't know.
Patrick is okay. Let me just... Hello, baby. I'm fine. At the same time, I'm not. See, I got an urgent call. Yes, my sister called me that they need some money for my mother's checkup. I don't even have. The only money with me is just 10,000. They need about 50K. Yes, I don't know if you can support me with 40K to add up, please. Really? Oh, Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you. This is not good. What I'm doing to him is not good.
I'm sorry.
Oh, he has sent the money. I just need to forward to your account so you can send to your mom.
Look, Joy, I'm so sorry. I don't know how much. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to
I'll
say.
send.
And I'm show you how much grateful that I am right now. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you.
It's okay.
I will never forget this in a hurry.
It's okay. Can I ask you for a favor?
Please, anything.
Can we just stop this sex? Can we just be friends? Like, can we just be disciplined for now or probably forever? Like, I am feeling guilty. I don't want to continue doing this to my man. It's not as if I don't like you. I do, but my conscience is killing
I
me.
understand, Joy. He deserves better. What we're doing is not good. It is hard to see you and no one to grab you, but then you have my word. Friends for life.
Really?
Sure. Hello, Mom. How you doing?
I feel better, my son. Nam, how did you get the money you sent to me?
Mom, are you interested in how I got the money I sent to you or getting better?
You know you complain you don't have money.
Mom, I just want you to know that I do not do any evil to make money. Alright? The money I sent to you was actually my own share of a deal I had with my friend. It's 50K. I had to send it to you for your health.
It's not that I don't trust my son. I just want to be sure my son has not joined some bad gang.
Mama, I cannot join the bad boys. Nah. You gave me so much good upbringing to think the other way around.
Yes, I trust you. Let me have some rest. You know, I will be going for the test tomorrow.
Yes, Mama. Please keep me updated with what they said in the hospital. I like to know. And please do take care of yourself. Eat something, okay? You know I love you so much. And you are the only one that I had. Alright. Okay, Mama. Bye. Yeah. What possible deal could Joy be asking me for? Alright, tomorrow then. Mama, where did you get the money from? This old woman. Get well first, that's the most important thing. Women. Sweet. I'm interested in this offer. Let's just go straight to the point.
Okay. See, there's this old-time friend of mine who is in need of a guy. Like, she is desperately in need of a strong man.
Okay, so which means you consider me strong enough to suggest?
Of course. See, if you're not strong, what do you think I'll be doing with you?
So right now, I'm a male prostitute. As in prostitute.
Come on.
As in hookup guy.
Please, let's not just dwell on this subject matter, okay? See, I want you to make money. Come on. You need money to take care of yourself and your sick mom. A lot of guys do this. Instead of you wasting your sperm unnecessarily or wasting your energy, it's better you use it and make money.
All right, I'm game.
Fine.
When is this knacking taking place?
Come on, slow down. Calm down. Wait. Are you excited that you're about to knack? Or you want to get into knacking?
Look at who got me a deal. He's still blackmailing me right here.
Anyway, see, there's a process you need to undergo.
Okay.
First of all, you need to go for a medical checkup
Okay.
for HIV, syphilis, and other transmitted diseases before you can be considered.
Wow. This will not be... Now you gave visa with this. So.
No, no.
But you know I'm clean now. You know I see. You know.
Patrick, I know you're clean, but the client doesn't know, so she needs something to to hold on to.
Omo, this client got paid for all these processes.
I swear to God, you enjoy it. There is money. If there's no money, I will not come and be telling you. See, I want to help you. I want you to start making money. You can't just continue like this. Huh?
Kubasha. Alpha now.
Alpha what?
Your boy need to work.
Which wacko?
Hunger the drip, I'm gonna go chow something now.
Are you paying?
Baby, just bring deal. The deal never pay now. Show your boy love now. Tomorrow when he clear, I will take you out now. Flex you. I be they jealous.
Hey,
see,
jealous or what?
I go wipe am.
I trust you.
I go wipe am.
If not for one thing, though.
Make no be saying a married woman, no, because I don't want to break a home.
And so?
I go wipe and ton.
See, you don't have a business whether she's married though or not. Your own is go and make money.
I care. I be bad boy with conscience.
But why didn't you break my own home? You care.
You don't marry. No be relationship you did.
But at least I still left you and went back to my... If I consider this, like, I wouldn't have gone back to my boyfriend. So, let's forget about my...
Let the ginger, I beg. You ain't so G.
Oh my...
Hey, Mom. Don't worry. Very soon everything is going to be fine, okay? No. We're too connected for God to fail us. It's too late. See, don't even bother. There are things I've set on motion. Once I start seeing recuperations, I'll invite you over. You come and stay with me, so I'll take proper care of you myself. Mama, you're talking about a farm. How much are you making from the farm? In fact, let's not even talk about that for now until what I'm working on matures. Hope you're taking your drugs. That's very good, Mom. Just know that I love you so much. Okay? And anything that happens, just let me know. Do take good care of yourself. All right. Bye, Mom. Hello, sweetheart. How are you doing? So, break the news. I've always told you that I'm a very responsible human being. But you wouldn't believe that I'm not going around sharing my educated dick with every Tom, Dick, and Harry. So what's the next step? Okay, what about my payment? Isn't it so funny how this client is so interested in my health status and I don't even know anything about her health status. But you know I want this job. I want this money. Hey, Joy. Thank you for being a G. All right. Safe out there. Peace out. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
All right, bros. I am actually looking for my friend. She works in this hospital, right? So, for 2 weeks now, I've been trying to reach her. Her number has been unreachable. The number you called does not exist. I'm so concerned. Unlike her, she would have reached out to me. Do you understand? So, I just want to know if all is well with her.
Sorry, what be her name?
Her name is Joy.
Oh, Nurse Joy, Nurse Joy. Nurse Joy, they don't transfer her since 2 weeks ago.
Where?
Well, you say she's your good friend.
Yes.
They've transferred her to our new branch in Ibadan. Wow. Sorry. Sorry.
So, bros, I beg you. I don't know, I don't know if you can give me her new number. Do you understand? So I can be able to call her to know if all is well with her. Like, I'm so concerned.
I no get them. No verse. Even if I get the number, I no go forgive you. You say na your good friend. She supposed don't tell you say they don't transfer her since. No verse, my brother.
All right. Thank you so much for the information.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello? See, if I don't see you here in the next 2 minutes, I am cancelling this ride and I'm going to rebook again.
Ma'am, I'm very close. I've arrived. Just in less than 30 seconds, you'll see me.
If I don't see you in the next 2 minutes, I'm cancelling this and I'll rebook.
I'm sorry. I'm here. Look at me.
What kind of nonsense is this? Patrick!
Joy! Joy, how did I offend you? How did I wrong you? What did I do you? How now?
See, I am sorry, okay, Pat. I know I have wronged you. If I were to be in your shoe, I would be angry too. Okay, but you have to hear me out before you crucify me.
Joy, this is 8 years. You went MIA. Joy, I looked for you everywhere. I walked out everywhere. I was searching for you. I thought something had happened to you.
I know.
I went to your workplace. They said you were transferred. I wasn't satisfied. How now? I thought we had built strong friendship. It wasn't about sex anymore. It was about friends for life.
Okay, see, like I said, I know I wronged you. And I'm sorry, it wasn't my fault. The whole thing was caused by my husband.
Wow. So you're married now?
Wait, did you expect me to be single after 8 years? Of course I am married. I got married 7 years ago. See, Pat. See, actually what happened is this. George, my boyfriend, became insecure. And he destroyed my SIM card and manipulated my transfer to Ibadan. Few days after I moved, I tried coming to you. Yeah, at least to explain to you about the new developments. But the dude monitored every of my movements. Yeah. I couldn't get to you. Okay? So I am sorry. I tried on my part. And I never wanted to
cause trouble again. Like I had enough of his troubles already, and I never wanted any more. So I had to dance to his music rhythm.
Hope he doesn't abuse you physically.
No, 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 no. He has never tried that on me. No. In fact, George has proven to be a good husband to me. I won't lie to you. It's just that he's overprotective.
Who wouldn't be overprotective? You're a sweet soul. You're a sweet girl.
You can say that again. But look at you. You're not looking bad. So you do, but now?
Yes. And it's not been an easy ride. It's been rough. But I think I'm obviously better than yesterday.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
You own this car?
No, it's not mine. I actually pay the owner 25,000 every week.
Okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Someday you're gonna hit it big. I trust you.
Sure, definitely.
So how is your mom?
Yeah, good news. Mom is now here with me. I was able to convince her to come over.
Wow.
She's all I got, so I could actually take care of her.
That is nice.
I missed you.
Really? Yeah. I missed you too.
You're my friend.
Let's stop.
So what brought you to town?
Oh yeah, a friend of mine wedded yesterday, so I came to honor the invitation. I will be leaving to Ibadan first flight tomorrow morning.
That reminds me. This client you gave me, after the whole knocking, she never picked my call. She never called to see if I performed very well or not. I tried to reach her, not reachable. The line was obviously changed. I don't know. So I feel I didn't even perform well.
As a matter of fact, she got pregnant.
I had expected that she at least called to... Did you say she got pregnant?
What?
Hey, don't lie to me. Don't give me that look. We don't have that time. Did she get pregnant for me?
You didn't hear that from me.
Joy! Did she get pregnant for me?
You know what? I think this conversation needs to end there, okay?
Joy, look, wait. I don't have intentions of claiming any child. I just want to see the first seed from my loins. It will give me hope for survival, give me hope and essence of some sort. Seeing your first seed. I just want to see, please, can I have her address?
Patrick, you're not supposed to hear about this.
I know. But Joy, all I'm asking, let me get her address. Let me just see her. Let me see my child. I'm not going to cause trouble, no. Let me see what my first fruit looks like. It'll give me a sense of accomplishment, sense of responsibility that I've been useful, at least with one thing in my life. Please. It will give me joy and fulfillment. Don't say, don't deprive me of this. I know life has been rough with me, but let this be something that could anoint my soul. Please, on our friendship, I beg.
she can't remember. You see, you've been thinking for long because there are so many of them. You can't remember which of them. You can't.
Honey, please, please. Stop it. This is all your fault. If you were man enough, we wouldn't be in this mess. So you were the guy that came from Joy?
The nurse.
Oh my God, no wonder the attachment. Come see my daughter.
I don't know the drama both of you are trying to present, but I want you to get into your scores and listen very, very attentively. No power in this world will make me relinquish my daughter Kamsi to anybody. No power, not you, neither you, nor anything that is near you.
Chief, you get it all wrong, sir. I am not here to claim Kamsi. She is my daughter. There is no gainsaying about it. There came a time in my life when I thought myself useless, worthless. Depression and suicidal thoughts became the reality of my everyday moment. I felt that I was unachieved. But then, a new thought came. An information of my daughter, Kamsi. The only thing that mattered was setting my eyes on the first seed that came from my loins. And that I achieved, sir. And thank you so much for the job you're doing. You're taking good care of her. I appreciate that.
Festus, change of plans. Please, can you bring Kamsi home direct? Thank you.
Good afternoon. Kamsi.
Mom, what happened? Uncle, you forgot to pick me up from school. That's unlike you. You made my daddy to shout at me.
I'm so sorry. My angel. I'm sorry. Okay.
Dad, what happened? Why is everyone looking moody? Why is Uncle Pat looking moody?
That's Uncle Pat. He's an adult. Ask him, let him tell you.
Mom? What are you doing here?
Namo.
What are you doing here? I told you not to come here. How did you get to this place?
Sandra.
Oh, yo. Hey. 33 years ago, I was posted to Sapele by railway management. Boyoyo was my direct boss in the office. We call him Boyoyo because of his so much shakara. He was a wonderful man. And because of that, I fell in love with him. Though I know he wasn't in love with me the way I love him. Along the line, I took him. When I told him, he rejected the pregnancy. Because of shame, I left Sapele. And I lost all the communication, whatever, with him since then.
Sandra, I'm so sorry. Very, very sorry. You know, then I was a young man and I was misled by some of my young friends too. So please forgive me. By the way, how did you locate this place?
My son told me he's working here. I asked him to write the address of the place. I used the address to locate this place. Thank you for your gifts.
Gifts?
I received them.
My gifts?
Yes. I received your gift, the gift from you through my son. I received them. So I was telling him that I want to call and thank the person. But he was discouraging me, telling me not to call the person, not to bother myself to call the person. But I want to have my peace. I decided to come and thank the person just to free my conscience. That's why I come to thank. Oh, are you not the person that sent gifts to me?
No, I am.
Oh.
I just thank God that at least you are happy because of the gifts from me to you. I thank God for that. But Sandra, please, what about the child? Do you have him or her? And if you really, where is the child now? So that I can meet up with him or her and right my wrongs.
Boyoyo,
Sandra?
I have only one child.
One child.
Jesus. Patrick is my only son.
Jesus.
He is your son.
Jesus. Patrick?
Yes.
My son?
Yes.
This is like a movie.
This is indeed a very moment.
Son, I have wronged you, and you have wronged me too. But let's reason like men, not just as a family, but as men.
Chief, I'm sorry. Dad, I am so sorry. In fact, what I did was quite irresponsible of me. I wouldn't have even coveted another man's wife, even if it's not your own wife. I'm wrong in all standards of it. And I want to say I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. Please do find in your heart to forgive me.
Son, I forgive you immediately. Sandra said you are my son.
Thank you.
I forgive you. Some time ago, I had a minor accident which I never considered anything, and I didn't give it any proper medical attention.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, my sperm production was affected.
Wow.
That's the reason I couldn't pregnant Gladys.
Okay.
So, but I continue praying and hoping. A few years back, I went to see my doctor, who is an old friend. He checked me, told me that miracle could still happen. I mean, a Christian, I believe in miracles. So when Gladys took him, I believed that was the miracle I was expecting.
Oh.
But at the end of the day, God's will is always the best. Look at me now. I have a son, intelligent, brilliant, and smart to take over from me when I'm gone. That is awesome. Can't believe it. What of Kamsi?
Kamsi has always seen you as a father, and it will continue to be like that. When she's of age, she will then realize that both of us are actually your children.
Good. Thank you very much for your understanding.
You're welcome,
I
Dad.
appreciate this moment very well, and I hope we continue in this manner. But then, what do we do with Gladys?
The Holy Book says, let he who has no sin cast the first stone. Any decision you take on Gladys, I will support you. I will support you, Dad. But I promise you that I will never misbehave ever again.